Welcome back. I'm meteorologist Jake DeReese. We're starting off a brand new week with more sunshine aiding in melting snow that we saw over the weekend. A lot of us were able to observe 1.5 inches to 2 inches of snow to close out the month of February. Today, we're looking to really warm up. Yesterday, a lot of us only saw temperatures in the mid to upper 20s. Hillsdale able to reach 30 degrees, but today, a lot of us will be able to warm into the upper 30s with, again, lots of sunshine. Should be able to melt a lot of that leftover snow. Now, meteorological spring is here as of yesterday, March 1st. Astronomical spring is still 18 days out. We're going to be talking about spring and the changing seasons a little bit later on, but here's what we can expect. We have surface high pressure continuing to track off to the east. We are still seeing the influence of that high pressure with skies staying clear today and temperatures warming as winds are still oriented a bit out of the south. We'll continue to see warmer, moist air track northeast towards our neighborhoods. However, the warm front is stalling out south of the state. That means heading into Tuesday and Wednesday, we're not going to be seeing that warm, moist air. We're going to stay pretty dry, but we do have some precipitation chances. Let's get right into it with our satellite and radar. Today, expect all that sunshine still. Should be a nice one, but overnight tonight, we'll see more cloud cover increase into tomorrow as we do have a chance to see some light freezing drizzle along the I-94 corridor and south of there. Now, again, if we do see any precipitation, the amount is going to stay pretty light. That's because we're really lacking that moisture. Again, that more moist air is staying south of the state. Even continuing into the afternoon, we could see some possible light rain into our neighborhoods. But again, we're not looking at any major impacts as temperatures will gradually warm. Again, we're just lacking that moisture, and that's going to continue into Wednesday as well with light rain chances possible. It's not going to be until Thursday. Once that warm, moist air is able to tap into our neighborhoods, we'll definitely see some more impacts. Winds today, not much of a problem. Southern neighborhoods like Hillsdale could see wind gusts up to 25 miles per hour during these late morning, early afternoon hours. But again, no major impacts in terms of winds. Here's what I was talking about. Thursday, we have another round of rain that's going to be moving into our neighborhoods, and this round is going to be carrying a lot more moisture. We could see impacts such as heavier precipitation rates. And then we have another round entering Friday evening, continuing into Saturday morning with a passing cold front acting as lift. We could see some potential thunderstorm potential. We're going to watch that very carefully as it's a bit too early to talk, of course, timing. We could still see some changes, but again, impacts include heavy precipitation rates and a few rumbles of thunder with building instability. Because notice how our temperatures gradually warm throughout the week this week. 50 degrees both Wednesday and Thursday. Thursday is when we could see some of that moisture better make its way into our neighborhoods. Overnight lows warming above freezing into the upper 30s. Friday and Saturday, that's where we're going to be tracking chances for showers as well as a few rumbles of thunder. High temps now into the 60s. Yes, the warmest being Saturday with high temps looking to stay in the mid to lower 60s. Overnight lows, yes, in the lower 50s. We'll start cooling down heading into Sunday with chances for showers continuing on. Overnight lows starting to cool back into the upper 30s.